Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my very first video on here, and I just wanted to show you guys how to get this look right here that I have on. So if you want to keep on watching to learn how to get this look, then do not exit out this video and subscribe and give my video a thumbs up, and also comment some video ideas that you guys would want me to do because I don't know what to do. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this look. Bye. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows because they take forever to do, but I used them using the Kat Von D Signature Brow Precision Pencil in the shade Graphite. I think this is the shade, to be honest, I don't know. And also I used the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in black. And for the eyebrow gel, I used the e.l.f. Clear Brow Gel, which I love because it's cheap and it lasts me forever. So now I'm going to basically prime my eyelids using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade. It's too light for me, but I don't care. It's the color Light Neutral 22N. So I'm just gonna take that on my eyelid. And I'm using my Beauty Blender, which I also got in my BoxyCharm last month. It's the Luxie Complete Sponge Set. Okay, and also I forgot I wanted to try this QMS Medi Cosmetic Lip Liner corrector. It's a lip serum, so it's for your lips, but oops, I just spilled that. I'm just gonna put it on my lips because don't come at me if I'm not doing this right, because I don't care. Okay, now I'm going to be taking my James Charles by Morphe palette, and I'm going to take a yellow. We're gonna do yellow. I'm going to take the Morphe M441 brush, and I'm gonna take the yellow right here, and we are going to place that all over my eyelid. Okay, so update on the lip serum. It's making my lips feel like I have chapstick on. Okay, so I'm only putting a little bit yellow because we are going to add more. Okay, for the next shade, I'm going to take this orange. Oh snap, I just dug my nail in it. This orange, and then I'm going to take this like reddish orange. I'm going to go into this orange right here. And this we are going to apply in like the crease area. So I'm just using this palette for the mirror because I can't see. So I am basically putting this orange from here to like the inner corner, but I'm not trying to make it go up too high. You know what I mean? But anyways, comment some videos that you guys want me to do because I'm obviously new to this, so don't really know what to do. This is how it should look so far. So we still have a little bit of that yellow, but we also have a little bit, but not too much orange, at least bright orange. We're gonna do the same on this side. Start right here and blend. Okay, so going back with that real fluffy, the I forgot to tell you guys what brush I was using. M456. And then I'm going back to my M441, and I'm going to add a little bit of yellow, just so we can still keep that yellow in. Okay, now that we did those two colors, we are going to go in with the reddish orangish color that we have right here with the same M456 brush. And this one we are going to add more into our deeper crease. So like when we look up, like how we have like that little, our crease basically, we're gonna add it there. Okay, so the camera stopped recording, which is okay. But basically, I just blended it and added more yellow, and then I finished this eye with the red-orange color. So now I'm just going to make sure that we can still, like when you look up, you can see both colors, not just the yellow. Now we're going to go in using the purple right here, this purple right here, and then we're going to go in with this purple right here. So first we're going to go in with the lighter purple, and this one I'm going to go in using the Morphe M506 brush, and it's just like a smaller blending brush. But yeah, we're going to go in with the lighter purple. And this one we are going to start off right here. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the darker purple, the M456 again, but obviously for a darker purple. For the dark purple, do not apply too much because we don't want to take away from the yellow, the orange. And then I'm going to go in with the M456 that I used for the red orange and the orange, and I'm just going to blend. We are going to go in with the lighter orange that we used, and we're just going to apply it at the outer edge. Brings more of that color back into the look. Next, we are going to start with the brush that we first started with, which was the M441 that we used for the yellow. We're going to take more yellow, just slowly blend it so it doesn't look so harsh on the way, like on outside. Okay, now we're going to go in with the M124. It's a flat brush, and I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape once again, and I'm going to put a little bit on my wrist, like that, so we can cut my crease. We're going to start at the way inner corner right here as you're looking down. So I cut my crease and I went really out far just because that's my personal preference. And then I'm going to do it the same with the other eye. But since I'm going to be adding glitter, I want to make sure that when I look up, like it doesn't go more up so that the glitter won't be like all the way up here. And then I'll do the same with the other eye. Okay, so I took a little break, but now we're gonna do our face makeup. And I found this TikTok hack that I want to try, and we're going to try. I'm gonna try it with you guys. Okay, so we already moisturized, so we're gonna try translucent powder. I got this one in my, I only have setting powders, same thing, but this one's from Everyday Vacay. It's a coconut setting powder, and I got it in my BoxyCharm last month. So we're taking the Morphe M527 fluffy brush, and we're just gonna setting spray. The setting spray I use is the Maybelline Lasting Fix setting spray. Okay, and then it says to do primer, which, where is my primer? Oh, it's right here. We're taking the Maybelline Master Prime, and this one's to hydrate and smooth. And we're going to apply that. It feels really sticky, that's for sure. But anyways, we're gonna take the I saw this off TikTok too, so I'm using this one. We're taking the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24 Fresh Wear Foundation, and I got the shade 460. I saw it on TikTok and I got it, and I've been obsessed with it. Don't judge me for how I put on my foundation. And we are taking my Beauty Blender. Okay, so now we're going to be taking the Wet n Wild contour stick. I am learning how to contour, so if the men find out, we can ship. I'm just kidding. So I'm going to apply like that, and like that. And I have a small forehead, so I really don't have to contour it. We're going to take the Morphe M439 and blend it. Okay, and we're going to take my Beauty Blender and just pat over where we contoured. And nose contour, we're just going to do a little bit because I don't know how to contour good. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to get right here, do a little button nose. Okay, so I went ahead and finished my face makeup. I just need highlight, but that can wait. But now I'm going to move on to the lashes. I got these pack of lashes off AliExpress a while ago, and I'm using the number 36. So I curled my eyelashes and applied mascara already. So now I'm going to take my eyelashes and basically measure them. So like where I want the inner corner to start, and then like all this excess that needs cut off. Okay, that should be good. Now I'm taking my Kiss strip lash adhesive. I get this at Walmart. So now I'm going to apply that, and then also I will apply like a strip right there on my eyelids so that the lashes can stick more, especially on the inner corner. But yeah, I'll be back when I apply them. Okay guys, this completes this makeup look. My battery was running low, so you know we had to hurry up. But basically I just finished off my eyes and I put these rhinestones, did my highlight, did my lips, setting spray, you already know. And yeah, I just got these at Walmart. They look like this and they come in different sizes. So here's the final look. And yeah, hope you enjoyed my video. Bye guys.